Every dua is heard by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Every single dua is heard by Him. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala hears every bit of your heart. So don't think Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not hear your dua. He hears all your unspoken words which are in your heart. It's a matter of time for that dua to come and plug in. For some people, it's a few days, and for some, it's months or years. Don't ever think that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not accept your dua. If you sit and think about some duas you have made in your life that happened 5 years later, it happened 10 years later, but you don't realize. It definitely came when the time was right. That is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala plan. So trust Him. Your every dua is heard. Your every dua is answered, but in different ways. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows what you don't know. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can see what you can't. So keep making dua with the same passion you had at the start. Don't let a delayed answer let you down. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not turn you away with empty-handed. So trust Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He loves you and He will bless you with the best. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our dua and reward us with His goodness.